Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these M&M cookies. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place in your butter, which should be at room temperature. If not, heat it in the microwave. Then you can go ahead and add in your light brown sugar followed by your granulated white sugar. Then mix everything together on a medium-high speed until it comes together. It should come together and should be lighter and fluffier. But don't worry if it doesn't get perfectly like that. You're just looking for it to be well combined. You can then go ahead and add in your egg and vanilla and mix these in until they are fully incorporated. As these are added, you will notice that the consistency changes and becomes much looser, completely normal as we're adding a lot of moisture into the recipe. You can stop the mixer and give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Don't forget to get the very top and the very bottom of the bowl, as this is normally where it sticks for me, but your mixer may be different, and if you're doing it by hand it probably won't do it. Then you can go ahead and add in the dry ingredients, which are your flour, your baking powder and the M&Ms, and then just mix on a low speed to start with, working up to a medium-high speed, and just mix until the dough forms and it'll pull away from the bowl. So once it does that, stop mixing, as you do not want to over mix your cookie dough. So to finish the cookies, you'll want to take your scoop and scoop up a generous amount of the dough. Then just take the dough, roll it between your hands into more of a ball shape. Then dip the top and the sides into some more of those mini M&Ms that we used inside, and then place it onto a baking tray. I get 5 onto a standard tray, but you may be able to get more or less onto your tray depending on the size of your oven. And then just repeat the process until you've used up all of your dough, and you should get 5 cookies in total, which are the large cookies, but you can also make 10 smaller ones if that's what you prefer. Here's what they look like before they go into the oven, so don't forget all the baking times and temperatures you need will be in the blog post, which will be linked down below, so don't forget to check it out. Then fresh from the oven, here they are. This is what they look like. They're amazing. But that's all today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be links to this recipe and links to my blog and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.